Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna take a pound of chorizo and 2 pounds of ground beef and make an awesome crock pot full of chili. When meat gets going, you can throw in a chopped onion and cover it while we throw some beans in the crock pot. I like to use a couple of different types of beans just for some variety, and I also like to add about 2 cans of beans per pound of meat, but you can add more or less to make it your own. I also have 1 can of plain diced tomatoes and one that has chilies in it for a little heat. When the meat is done, remove it from the grease and add chili seasoning. Exact amounts will be in the description. Good stir and we're almost done. Remove all but 2 tablespoons of the grease from the skillet and add about 2 tablespoons of flour to the grease and cook it for about 1 minute. Add a few ounces of beef broth to make a thick gravy, and this will keep your chili from being soupy. Add it to the pot and mix well. Cover it and cook it on low for a few hours. Everything is fully cooked already and can be eaten, but it will really benefit from spending some time with everyone else in the pot. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please like and subscribe.